I'm going to be showing you a little mini tutorial of the Brilliance New York hair blow dryer. And this is what it looks like. It's really pretty packaging. So this is the Pro Dryer 3600. It has 3 attachments and it's for all hair types. And again, this is the Brilliance New York hair blow dryer. So this is what's inside of it. So there's the blow dryer. These are 2 different little clips for certain hairstyles. And this is for people who have curls or you want to scrunch your hair for curls. So today I'm just gonna give myself a regular blowout straight. First off, these little tools. One is a smaller one for, I guess, a different styling, and this one's the bigger one. Since I have a lot of hair and I have thick hair, I'm going to be using the wider angled styler. And this is what this looks like. I love that it also has a Velcro wrap so that you can keep everything organized and not a mess. First, I'm going to damp dry my hair. Just go through it really quick. And then I'm gonna separate into sections. So I'm gonna put this leave-in conditioner. It's L'Oreal Paris Aleve. And I like to just put it into my ends because my ends tend to be more dried and I actually have pretty oily hair at the top. So I just like to put it at the ends of my hair. A low setting and there is a high setting. And then also there is an ion setting. I would assume that that would save more energy as well. And it's probably a little healthier for your hair. And then there's a hot setting. There's also a hot setting as well. I'm gonna use the ion setting. And now that I've damp dried it, so it doesn't take as long to style my hair with the blowout. Okay. So what I like to do is first tie up half of it. And then I have these 2 clips. Split in half. That way so it's pulled together. Just super easy. Literally, all you do is put it on. So this little tool helps it to be straight. You can tell there's that. I'll do a few more sections. And the top section, I'm going to take this off because I like a little bit of volume, so I'm not going to use this. You see how straight it was able to make it? And I used a flat brush with the styling tool because the round brush doesn't work as well while you're doing that, but I can test it out. I prefer flat brush when I'm using styling tool. Actually, that worked pretty well. So you can either use a round brush with this, and like I said, I have longer and thicker hair, so I like to use the wider styling tool, but you can also use a flat brush while doing it as well, as I demonstrated earlier. So I'm moving on to the next section. And each section that I've taped down, I like to brush through it so that when I am blow drying it, there's no knots. Almost done here. And this is a lot faster because I did damp dry it earlier where I just went through my hair, and instead of using the hot setting, I used the on cooling setting so that my hair wouldn't be like frizzy and extra fried. And honestly, this blow dryer, even though it's almost like direct heat, the gadget, this tool right here, helps to not have it directly on your hair versus a straight iron or the curler. So my hair definitely feels a lot healthier, and the ion setting made it not frizzy, which is awesome. I probably look like the Grudge. So for my front, I like to give it a little more volume, so I do it this way. And now I'm going to take this off. And there you have it. Brilliance New York Pro 3600. I love it. It actually does not dry out your hair, and it's very powerful. I love that it comes with the 3 extra tools for if I want my hair to be curly or straight, or if I wanted to use a smaller angled styling tool. But I used the bigger styling tool today, and I love that it has the ion settings and the cooling settings instead of holding it, because all blow dryers have a cooling setting, but you have to hold on to it, whereas this one has an ion setting, and there it is in blue. And one, it helps to save energy. 2, since it's ionized basically, your hair doesn't frizz up, you don't have as much flyaways, as you can tell right there. And usually I don't like to put heat on my hair, so I love that these tools have these tools right here, the hairstyling tools, make it to where it's not direct heat onto your hair. And then I'm gonna top my hair off with this Whole Blends Garnier Smoothing Oil. Just a little tiny dab goes a long way. So I'm just gonna do just a teeny bit. Literally the smallest little. Rub it into my hands, also into my fingers, because I run it through my hair. And I really like to get like under, like right here. And then I just go like this to the top so I don't have any flyaways. And I have a bunch of baby hairs in the front, so I like to just dab it down a little bit. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like it. And if you want to buy the product, the link is below in the description. And I really hope you liked my review. And share your comments and thoughts on what you think I should do on my next styling, or you have any questions about the product, just drop a comment below. Thank you.